This thing is awesome. It triggers. You have different options for triggering it, for how sensitive it is. I own a business. It's attached to my house, so it comes in handy. Making sure that I feel nice and safe. Also, I can see who's just at the back door when they're coming into my studio. I got another one out here. I'll tell you what else I love about them is you get these awesome little, here we go, bendable, easy to connect things that lock right into the back. So if you're not really in the mood to anchor it because you've got brick or it's a little difficult like this, just do that. You can hook it right on the other end and see where it's, yep, it's nice. And then that lets you reposition it, whatever you want to do, get the right angle. So these are awesome. And it really does, it reaches a good distance. So yeah, they are completely worth it. Don't second guess that one.
So I put my camera in the corner of my kitchen. The installation was so simple, guys. This camera will last up to 2 years. I love it. And I have one outside in my door, in my front door, but this is the one inside in my kitchen, which has the entire view of my house.
Here's my new Blink camera. It's a new one. I have the old ones. I like this one because it is, it's got the voice on there where you could talk. I have older ones that don't have that feature. This one works great. Just installed it with the accessory mount.